Hey everybody, this is Joe, the 512 Seasoning Company. Thank you very much for subscribing to our newsletter. In our newsletter, you're going to have a recipe for fire roasted stuffed poblano peppers. You're going to have a code in there to save 15% off, brought to you by Guardian of the Grill, who actually provided the recipe as well. You're also going to find a tool to make the best turkey you've ever had in your life. And a little update for you guys. We are now in 38 locations throughout Central Texas. We just recently got into the Keith Ace Hardwares up and down the I-35 corridor from Austin all the way to Waco. We also just got into Barbecue Outfitters. Both those big wins. Thank you guys, we really appreciate it. Also, we're doing a charity event March 5th, 6th, and 7th. We're going to run 4 miles every 4 hours for 48 hours. We're doing this for charity and just kind of give back to everybody. So enjoy the newsletter, guys. Happy February. Summer's almost here, guys. Have a great day.